Hello my drippy hippies and welcome to my YouTube channel and my first series on YouTube where I'm going to be converting this Peugeot Boxer into a stunning campervan. I'm only 23 and I'm going to be tackling this build on my own. Throughout this series I'm going to be featuring episodes such as fitting the solar panels, fitting a hidden shower, fitting the window, insulating the walls, boarding the walls, and many other bits and bobs to go with the campervan. So make sure you like, comment and subscribe so you can follow me on every step of the way. I'll just give you a quick breakdown on the van I bought. It's a Peugeot Boxer, long wheelbase. It's done 70,000 miles. It's a 2016 plate and it's diesel. I didn't manage to capture myself insulating the floor and fitting the roof fan, but if you want me to give you a talk-through demonstration on these two jobs, just let me know in the comments below. But for now, make sure you stay tuned, stay active, and I'll see you in the next video. Namaste.